This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tammy Johnson. Welcome to this charming 55-plus community featuring easy maintenance, single-level homes designed for your enjoyment. This delightful residence has a modern kitchen complete with a brand new Bosch dishwasher, granite countertops, built-in microwave, electric stove, and stylish dimmable lighting above the cabinets. The open floor plan features a vaulted ceiling in the living area, allowing for an airy ambience and direct access to a serene, screened-in porch. The backyard is fully fenced with a brand new vinyl fence, bordered by a peaceful trickling creek, providing a tranquil escape. Recent updates throughout include fresh paint and durable epoxy flooring, ensuring a welcoming atmosphere for years to come. The spacious primary bedroom offers extra-large closet and a private bathroom featuring a tiled step-in shower for easy accessibility. Enjoy the convenience of low-maintenance gutters equipped with leaf guards. Premium lot west/wooded backyard with no house directly behind. This home also includes washer and dryer hookups, a one-car garage, storage shed for lawn and gardening equipment, and a private driveway for parking. Conveniently located near an active senior center and plenty of shopping and dining in the quaint Woodbury area or a short country drive to Murfreesboro, this property presents a rare opportunity you won't want to miss. For more information,